Hello friends, in this video we will check the fuse for operability. So we take this end and connect it to mass of the car. And then we check. If the light comes on both sides of the fuse, then the fuse is working. If one side is lit and the other is not, then the fuse is not working. And if the fuse has not contact at all, it's either blown or power is not being supplied there. Need to power up and check. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.